Now, when you take this piece out, you just have to give it a little bit of oomph because it has a lot of resistance. Alright, so just 2 screws. One goes here, one goes there. Make sure you take those out. And remember, this is just a side-by-side LG model Craft ice maker freezer section. And then we have this Molex connection here. We're going to go ahead and take that off. As soon as you take that off, this thing can just come right out. Just like that. Okay, now that we have the ice maker assembly out, just giving you guys a look-see on what we have going on. And now once this guy falls off, because that'll always happen, you just have to put it just like this in this direction as well. There's a fair clip that's under here. It's a safety pin. It just pushes up just like that. So simple as that. You just literally push it back in to installation. I already have my Molex connection in. Okay, now it's fully installed. Now we just have to attach the screws. Okay, so as I said, just 2 screws. That's it. Now this is a new 2023 model. It was manufactured 1108. Now I'm gonna go ahead and test it. Okay, and as we can see, unit has now filled accurately with water. We do not have any more leakaging occurring, so this unit is now functional.